अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अतीक और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल अतीक शाह। दोस्तों आज फिर हम एक नई फ़ोटो को फ़ोटोशॉप cs6 के अंदर ऐड करके आपको प्रोफेशनल फ़ोटो एडिटिंग के बारे में बताएंगे। चलें शुरू करते हैं।
Getting your mind on one thing at a time. Got a lot that you gotta do. Got you on your way out. Hey, did you know that you breathe too? And if our air ran out to minimal amounts, I put that as a currency. Wouldn't that even things out? Tell me how's that PSI? In your skull when you lie about your life, silver tall in your mind. You're collecting dust. Your shine will start to rust. You're in love with the ease of what all those bands have had to say. No matter how good that I get you at targeting your mind on one thing at a time. Got a lot that you gotta do. Got you on your way out. Hey, did you know that you breathe too? And if our air ran out to minimal amounts, I put that as a currency. Wouldn't that even things out? Tell me how's that PSI? In your skull when you lie about your life, soaring tall in your mind. Think no one sees how you hide. How do I do?
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más allá. Convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me.
can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere.
वेलकम अगेन दोस्तों, ये जो तस्वीर आप देख रहे हैं ये इस वक्त बिल्कुल फाइनल बन चुकी है। इसको कहते हैं प्रोफेशनल फ़ोटो एडिटिंग। इस तस्वीर को अच्छी तरह देख लें, मेरी सारी वीडियो को कंप्लीट देखें और मेरी इस वीडियो से ज़रूर सीखा करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।